Hi everyone, welcome Jin's Cooking Corner. Today I'm gonna make ham and egg sandwich. I have ingredient cucumber and already been washed and peeled, and then 2 slices ham, and then hard-boiled eggs about 4. So when you boil the egg, put it in the 1 teaspoon salt, and then you can easy to peel it. Also 5 slices of and then for seasoning, little bit salt and black pepper, and 1 cup of mayonnaise, and then half a cup of sour cream, and then 2 tablespoons cream cheese. Don't seasoning here. I'm gonna season each ingredient, okay? So I'm gonna first this very thin slice cucumber. So already remove the seed here because okay. So like this, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the. So cut the half and another half here, and then you can use the spoon, but I'm gonna use the knife here, and then remove the seed here. Okay, like this. Also remove the seed and then crunchier, and then very thin slice because it's easy to spread on top bread, okay? Like this, and put it in the bowl. I'm gonna put it here, and then another one I'm gonna show you. Okay, very thin slice like this. And then flip over, a little bit salt again, not too much. Okay, and then leave aside here about 7 minutes, and then next one I'm gonna slice ham. So I'm gonna move all the hard part here. So okay, and then very fine chop. Like this. And then next one is hard-boiled egg. We're gonna separate egg white and the egg yolk. Separate, okay? Like this. Put it in here. And then another one. Okay, and then egg white we have to very fine chop. Okay, like this. then put it in the container here. And then I'm gonna all together mayo and sour cream and cream cheese. So I wanna mix all together. Don't seasoning here. Just mix together here. So make sure don't seasoning here and the leave side here, and then about like this. So little bit hard squeeze all the remove the water. It's more crunchier cucumber. And then we're gonna put it in the mayo here. About 3 tablespoons. About 3 tablespoons. And then next one is ham. Also here 2 tablespoons. And then little bit black pepper. Not much, little bit black pepper. Okay, and then next one, egg white, around 2 tablespoons. And here we gonna little bit salt, not black pepper, okay? Just pinch salt here. And then leave it here. And the next one is also egg yolk. Egg yolk about 2 tablespoons. The mashed egg yolk. Little bit salt. Little bit black pepper, easy to spread on the bread on top. Oh, very creamy now, like this, and the lid side here. And then I already put it in the mayo dressing here. So don't put it in the salt here because ham already seasoned here. So don't put it in the salt in the ham, okay? margarine. I'm gonna spread margarine because not soggy bread. Okay, so here very thin spread like this, not too much. And then on top, first cucumber spread on top, spread here. So evenly spread on top. And leave here. And then again spread on top and then put down here and then on top again here. Egg white, put down here. So evenly spread on top. And then again okay, so again, and the margarine part put down here, and then again this is not soggy. And then next one is ham. And then again margarine on top bread, and then margarine side put down here, and then again, and the last one is egg yolk. So egg yolk here, evenly spread. Okay, and then last one, and little bit press down, and then I'm gonna cut all edge part. Okay, all cut the edge part here. And then I'm gonna look the inside, what it looks like. Looks like this. And then okay. Okay, now done sandwich now. So look at this. So especially this cold sandwich, so you can enjoy summertime. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.